Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Lucidchart notifications for diagram projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Lucidchart website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. You will be directed to a new page with various account options. Look for the Notifications tab in the menu on the left side. Click on the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. You will see a list of notification options related to your diagram projects. Find the notifications that you wish to disable. To turn off a specific notification, click the toggle switch next to it. The switch will change from on to off, indicating that the notification is now disabled. If you want to disable all notifications, look for a master toggle at the top of the list. Click this master toggle to turn off all notifications at once. Once you have adjusted your settings to your preference, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your new notification settings. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been successfully updated. Close the Settings tab to return to your Lucidchart dashboard. You have now successfully disabled Lucidchart notifications for your diagram projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.